Can you get it?
Yeah.
Take it over and let Daddy help you.
Oh yeah, we gotta cut that ribbon.
This is from Grandma Judy and Grandpa Don. You saw them in Chicago too.
Okay, can you take the lid off?
Yeah.
They sent you paper! What's in here? Take this out. Woo!
What is it? It looks like a bag with something else in it.
Look at that.
What is it? Is it a camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna take pictures?
Is it a phone?
It's a camera.
Look, John. Turn it around like this. Press the on button.
Oh.
Right, and now you can look through it. Oop. That turned it off. Okay, you press this button right here. Hold it with one finger on that button. Put your other hand over here.
Yay! Yeah, can you take a picture of Daddy? You take another picture of Daddy? Take a picture. It's a camera, like Mommy's camera.
Here, look. Hi.
Do you see Daddy in the camera?
Press this button.
Yeah, that's right.
Press this button right here. John, this button right here. Nope, that turned it off. Press this button right here.
Yay! Good job.
Yay!
Did you take a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can you take another picture? Take a picture of Daddy. Ooh, what was that? You playing a game on the camera? Thank you, Grandma Judy. Thank you, Grandpa Don.
Yay!
You take a picture of Daddy?
Yeah.
You gonna take a sound picture of Daddy?
Oop.
Ooh, nice. Good job. You just took a picture.
Of the floor.
That's okay. Gotta start somewhere.